Over a weekend of Loch Ness hunting, around 200 volunteers and boat observers tried to spot the elusive Loch Ness Monster, but no unusual events were recorded.
It's about inspiration. For a very selfish reason, I don't want the Loch Ness mystery or the interest in Loch Ness itself to diminish in any way whatsoever at all. So this is why I'm hoping to inspire a new generation of not just Loch Ness Nessie hunters, you want to call them that, but just those who are interested in the natural environment.
Despite this, the event drew attention from around the world, highlighting the enduring fascination with the legendary creature.